Hi everyone, welcome to the math tutor. In today's video, we'll learn an important topic from class 10 cbse mathematics, the real number. Real number, we already discussed about real number in our earlier video. If anyone not watched that video, please go through. Okay, in today's video, we'll learn three things. Okay, the first one is unique factorization theorem. Unique factorization theorem, or which is also known as fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Fundamental theorem of arithmetic. And second one is HCF and LCM. And we also discuss a very important formula about this HCF and LCM. And the third one is how do we prove a number is rational or number is irrational. Suppose we always, and we know that root 2 is irrational, but why root 2 is irrational and how we can prove that. We'll discuss how we can prove a number is irrational. So we will start with the unique factorization here. What is the statement? Unique factorization theorem. The statement states that every composite number can be expressed can be uniquely expressed product of prime number. Apart from the order of prime number occur. Apart from the order prime number occur. For example, we can write 20 as 2 to the power 2 into 2 into 5, or which is also can written as 2 into 5 into 2, or 5 into 2 into 2. Order may be anything. Okay, order may vary, but the prime numbers here, the prime number is unique, that are 5 and 2. We cannot write 20 using any other prime number except 5 and 2. Okay, similarly any number we can take that is, suppose 15 can be written as 3 and 5 or 5 and 3. This order may vary. Here the statement states that apart from the order of prime number occur. The order of this prime number may vary, but the prime numbers should be unique. Every composite number can be uniquely expressed as product of prime. Okay, so we can these prime numbers should be unique, but their order may vary. Okay, here 15 can only be expressed as product of 5 and 3. Okay, we cannot express 15 as using any other prime number except 5 and 3. Okay. Oh, so this is all about unit factorization theorem. We have an example for a question regarding which is a direct application of unit factorization theorem. The example states that is 4 to the power n being any natural number ends with digit 0. So the statement states that 4 to the power n, when you express 4 to the power n, that is 4 into 4 into 4, how many times? N times. After multiplying these 4 n times, can we get a number which ends with digit 0? Now let's suppose any number which ends with digit 0 must have factor 10. So, for example, 60 can be written as 6 into 10, and 10 must have, and we know 10 have only prime factor 2 and 5. Any number 70, 100, 120, any number we can write where 10 must be a factor and 10 have only prime factor 2 and 5. So any number which ends with digit 0 must have factor 2 and 5. Okay, so here we can see this 4 to the power n, which can be written as 2 to the power 2 and whole to the power n, and which is 2 to the power 2 n, that is 2 into 2 into 2 n times. So here the only prime factor is 2. To get the unit digit 0, we must have factor both 2 and 5. Here the only factor is 2, and since the number 5 is not being there, this 4 to the power n does not end with digit 0. Doesn't ends with digit 0. Okay, this is all about the unit factorization theorem. Any number can be, any composite number can be uniquely expressed as product of prime apart from the order of prime number occurs. Okay, any number, कोई भी नंबर को हम प्राइम के फैक्टर में एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं, बट वो प्राइम नंबर यूनिक होंगे. ओके, तो उन प्राइम नंबर का पोजीशन अलग अलग हो सकता है, बट द प्राइम नंबर शुड बी यूनिक. Similarly, here part stated that 20 cannot be expressed product of primes without using 2 and 5. Okay, the only way to express product of prime number, only way to express 20 as product of prime number is should be using 5 and 2, and no any other way to express 20. Okay, this is all about unit factorization theorem. Now we'll discuss HCF and LCM. So what is LCM? The standard form of LCM is the least common multiple. Least common multiple Okay, suppose we have two numbers 6 and 20. What are the multiple of 6? We get 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, and many. And 20h factor 20, 40, 60, 120, 150. So here we see the least multiple. Here the least common multiple are 60, is 60. Okay, no least multiple are common. Only the smallest multiple that is common is 60. When we go on, we get 120, and also here also 120. 120 is also common multiple, but the least one is 60. So we say the LCM of 6 and 20 is 60. In another way, we can find LCM by prime factorize. Okay, now what are the prime factors of 6? 2 into 3, and 20, 2 to the power 2, which is 4 into 5. So this is the prime factorization of 6 and 20. Now we find LCM. Okay, यहाँ पे हम लोग factors के highest power लेंगे. Okay, we'll take the highest power. We'll take the term having highest power. Okay, so here in both term 2 has a common factor, but here 2 to the power 1 is there, and here 2 का पावर इधर क्या है, इधर 2 है, इधर 2 का पावर 1 है. तो हम यहाँ पे क्या लेंगे, वो ज्यादा वाला लेंगे ऑलवेज. तो यह LCM में लेंगे 2 to the power 2, and we'll take also here 5 is not there, so you can write 5 to the power 0 is there, and here you can write 3 to the power 0 is there. So here 3 to the power 1, here 5 to the power 1. So we'll take the highest power, either 0 है इधर 1 है, तो हम लेंगे 3 to the power 1, and इधर 5 0 है इधर 1 है, तो इधर लेंगे 5 to the power 1. तो multiplying we get 4, 3 and 5, which is 60. So in this way you can find the LCM of 6 and 20. For example, another example, (24) and 80. What are the factor of 24? You can write 2 to the power 3 into 3, which is 8 3s are 24. And 80 can be written as 16 5, which is 2 to the power 4 into 5. So LCM will be, we'll take the highest term. 2 to the power 3 is there, 2 to the power 4 is there, so we'll take 2 to the power 4. Here 3 is there, here 3 is not there, not here, so consider here 3 to the power 0, and here 5 to the power 0. So we'll take 3 to the power 1 and 5 to the power 1, which is 16, 15. 15 6 are 90, 0, 9 in 8, 15 1s are 15 and 9 250. Okay, LCM is 250. Now this is all about LCM. Now we'll discuss HCF. Which is highest common factor which is the highest common factor. Okay, so considering the first example, we have 6h factor 2 and 3 and 20h factor 2 to the power 2 into 5, or sorry 6h factor 1 2 3 and 6 itself, and 20h factor 1 2 4 5 10 and 20. So here you can clearly see that the highest common factor will be 2. 1 is common factor, okay, but this one is least common factor, but we find the highest common factor, so the highest common factor will be 2. No number higher than 2 are common, so the highest common factor of 6 and 2 20, HCF of 6 and 20 will be 2. You can find this also by using prime factorization. That is, to find HCF, we always consider the term with least power. Okay, so to find HCF of 6 and 20, we'll see the least power of these two numbers. Okay, least power of these two numbers. So we see here, here the power is 1, here power is 2. So we'll consider 2 to the power 1. Here 3 to the power 1 is there, and here 3 to the power 0. So we'll consider the least one, 3 to the power 0. And here also 5 to the power 1 is there, and 5 to the power 0. So we consider 5 to the power 0. Any number with power 0 or 1, so we have only 2. Okay, similarly, we can find the HCF of 24 and 80. HCF of 24 and 80. Here we clearly see the power, the less power is 2 to the power 3. And in both cases, the least power will be term having power 0, which is 1. So we can इसको यूज करना ना करना वो एक ही बात है, बिकॉज उसका पावर 0 है तो वो 1 हो जाएगा, तो 1 किसी भी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो वो उसका कोई वैल्यू चेंज नहीं होगा. सो वी इन केस ऑफ फाइंडिंग HCF और LCM, okay, we always take in case of HCF we always takes the term with less power. Okay, if in any term a term is not there, so the numbers वो उसको हम नहीं लेते. ओके, HCF के केस में कोई भी नंबर अगर बोथ टर्म में नहीं है तो वो HCF में नहीं आए. ओके, LCM में वो सभी टर्म आएंगे जो बोथ टर्म में है, वो टर्म में नहीं है. ओके, उसका हाईएस्ट पावर जितना हो वो भी आएगा, और बोथ टर्म में जो है वो भी आएगा LCM के केस में. बट इन केस ऑफ HCF जो टर्म जो फैक्टर बोथ टर्म में नहीं होंगी वो नहीं आएंगे. ओके, यार 3 बोथ टर्म में नहीं है, 3 नहीं आएगा. 5 बोथ टर्म में नहीं है, नहीं है. इधर 2 का पावर 3 है, 2 का पावर 4, तो हम लेंगे लीस्ट. इन केस ऑफ व्हेन यू फाइंड द हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर वी टेक द टर्म विथ लीस्ट पावर. Okay, which is it. Now we have an important formula of this HCF and LCM. The formula states that suppose A and B are two number. Okay, when you multiply HCF of AB with LCM of the numbers A and B, will get the same value when you multiply both number together. A and this formula is very important aspect of your exam. Okay, a short question is always coming from this. So for example, here we have a question that find HCF and LCM of two number 96 and 404. We have two number 96 and 404. So first, what do we have to do? First we have to find the common factors. Okay, so first we prime factor, or find the prime factor. Okay, 96 can be written as 16 or 32 3s are 96. Okay, 2 to the 32 can be written as 2 to the power 5, 2 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 6, 8, 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 3s are 96. Similarly, 404 can be written as 101 into 4, which is 2 to the power 2, 4 into 10. So here LCM will be, and HCF will be, okay, we only found LCM. No, we can find both of these from this, but to check this formula, okay, we only find, no, here we can check the formula also. Okay, from the above example, what happened? 6 and 20. Here LCM is 60 and HCF is 2. So here both side, here in left side we get 16 to 2, which is 120, and in right side we have both number 20 and 6, which is also 120. Okay, so we can verify this formula with this example. Now come to this question. Okay, here we can find LCM, so we can find HCF and LCM using this formula. So HCF में क्या करते थे, जो नंबर बोथ टर्म में होंगे उसको ही कंसीडर करेंगे. इधर 2 है, इधर भी 2 है, तो इसको कंसीडर करेंगे. इधर 3 इधर बोथ टर्म में नहीं है, तो 3 को नहीं कंसीडर करेंगे. 101 को भी कंसीडर नहीं करेंगे. ओके, सो फॉर HCF विल बी, HCF हाईएस्ट की केस में क्या देखेंगे, लिस्ट पावर देखेंगे, एंड LCM लिस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल की केस में हाईएस्ट पावर देखेंगे. तो हाईएस्ट के केस में क्या देखेंगे, लिस्ट पावर देखेंगे, 2 to the power 2, which equals to 4. So now we find this using this formula. We have HCF as 4, LCM we have to find, and product with two number will be 96 into 40. So LCM will be, इधर 4 मल्टीप्लाई हुआ है, 4 इस साइड आएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा, डिवाइड हो जाएगा. 96 into 404 divided by 4, which is 1 multiplying and 6. This will be the LCM. Okay, then for your homework, okay, find HCF and LCM of 6, 72 and 120. Okay, so do this question, and for any doubt and query you can comment. Okay, thank you.